This is theory test level grade 4, question number 15, and I have Aiden helping me out. He passed this test once upon a time. All right, so first, write the number of the correct definition in the blank. One definition will not be used. They didn't used to do this, but now they do. So you'll notice that there are 10 blanks, but 11 questions. So if you have one left over, that's correct, okay? So the first thing, we come to the first blank and we have the word tonic. What is tonic, Aiden?
Tonic is the first note in a chord.
Okay, first note in a scale. So if we go through all of these, we might find the first note of a scale, or scale step 1, which is sometimes called the key note, all right? So we would put number 10, and you can cross that out, all right? A natural is our next word. Which one of these looks like the definition for a natural?
Number 9.
Okay, a chromatic sign that cancels a sharp or a flat, okay? So I would agree that sounds like a natural to me. So we put in 9. Double F, what is that word?
Very loud.
Okay, do you know what its Italian word is?
No.
Okay, fortissimo. Fortissimo, very loud. Do you see its definition over here?
Number 6.
Number 6. That was pretty on point, right? Okay, so what is this word?
Legato.
Legato, what does it mean?
It means the speed of steady beats moving in time.
Eh. Aiden missed one. Don't listen to Aiden. Okay, so legato is the opposite of staccato. It's how you play something. So it's either connected, legato, or disconnected, staccato. So play in a smooth, connected manner, legato. -1 for Aiden. Okay, what's our next word?
Crescendo.
Crescendo, okay? What does crescendo mean?
Increasing in volume.
Okay, so it gets louder. It's associated with this symbol to get louder. Unlike decrescendo, which also could be a word on your test, which would be that. It's softer on this side, quieter on this side than this side. So crescendo, decrescendo, right? So we have increasing in volume, breaking our lead. 7, okay? What's the next word?
Interval.
And an interval is a distance of measurement, right? Or a measurement of distance. That makes more sense. So an interval, distance, what have we got on there?
Number 2.
Number 2, 2 numbers, one on top of the other, that indicate the number of beats in a measure? I'm thinking not.
The distance in pitch between 2 tones.
Okay, so it's a distance of, it's a measurement thing. So 4, 2 notes, distance, we got it, number 4. Next symbol is?
Medium loud.
Okay, also known as mezzo forte. So which one of these definitions fits that?
Number 1.
Number 1. Medium or moderate, same thing. Okay. Next word?
Tempo.
Tempo. Describe a tempo. What is it?
The speed of steady beats moving in time.
Okay, that seems like that's very reasonable. Beats, consistent tempo, right? Next one?
Triad.
Triad. When you're thinking tri, like tricycle, it probably relates to something 3, okay? Tri, 3 of something. What have you got over here that would be a triad?
A 3-note chord built on thirds.
Number 11. Okay, and the last one.
A time signature.
What is a time signature?
two notes, one on top of the other, that indicates the number of beats in each measure and the type of note that receives one beat.
Isn't that a complicated sentence? So basically that's the way that you write out in words that symbol, right? Okay, so that's the time signature, the part that comes right after the treble clef. You'll see it in music. Like an 8, that's not it at all. Treble clef, and then 3/4, or treble clef 4/4. Time signature. Okay, so that would be number 2. We have 1 left over. Aiden would have missed 2, but he still would have survived. This question's worth how many points?
8.
Are you sure?
Oh, 10.
10. Okay, so these are pretty important, making sure that you know what your words are talking about. But if you really think through them carefully, then you shouldn't have too much trouble. So think, and realize 1 is left over because they're mean, right? All right, so for 10 points, make sure you study this one. You will have some of these words, but you won't have all of these words. There will be some different ones too. So think.